Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a Madhubani painting. So let's start. To make a Madhubani, we need a paper or canvas or board, anything. If it is paper, then no need of any gesso. But if it is canvas or if it is board, then we have to give first coat of gesso. Then second thing, Madhubani is incomplete without any border. So what we have to do, we will draw 1 centimeter first border, then 1 centimeter second border, and then we will have almost 2 millimeter double line on all the 4 sides. So please start. We'll mark 1 centimeter on the border so that whatever design we will draw will be equal. Now our border design is very simple. Double line is compulsory in Madhubani. We can do some designing in between the double line, but we have to have double line and it has to have black color. After drawing these triangles, we will do further designing that we can do directly with the brush. Our next step is to draw the circle. Each one of us is drawing on a different size paper or thing, so there's no rule, but this is 20 by 20, so this is my first circle. Then I draw second circle, third, fourth and fifth. So in each circle we'll draw some border design. Now I'm going to draw 2 fishes. Roughly, this is the half distance. In Madhubani, except human body, everything has to have a double line and it has to be drawn with the black color. This is our one fish and now I'm going to draw another fish. Okay, so this is our drawing. So first step, I will use a brush and I will fill white color here. Although it is gesso coated, but we can see that with my hand, it has become dirty. This base light blue color will fill little later. I'll start with the outline of fish. This is 000 number brush and black color. As we know, Madhubani started when Raja Ram's Bharat was about to reach to Janakpuri. Raja Janak asked the ladies of his kingdom to decorate the whole kingdom. So they had coal and they had natural dyes made of flowers and leaves, etc. They used those things and decorated the whole kingdom in the way they saw, like what was their imagination. Their line is very different from actual line. They decorated floor, they decorated walls, everything they decorated, and in everything, because this black color was easily available, so use of black color was a lot. They used lots of black color. So from that time, this tradition has come that black color is used in Madhubani. Also, the line work which we are doing is called Kachni and the filling of colors is known as Bharni. So what lines I am drawing is Kachni. When we fill the colors, it will be known as Bharni. Originally, there were 2 types of artists in Madhubani. There were ladies who were painting this art. So many of them were doing only Kachni work and other group was doing only Bharni work. But they all were following the black outline, double line thing. That is their basic rule. Nowadays, we get lots of contemporary work on Pinterest, on internet we see. But the original artists feel very bad. They say that the basic method is to do a double line. Sometime in this double line also they fill the color and they draw the dashes. So see, everywhere I'm drawing double line. Now inside this we will draw the lines, alternate. Let's make the second fish. Till now we have done only the Kachni work. We have not done Bharni work. We can have different design in fishes. What I am making this double leaf design is also one of the border design. I am changing the direction of Kachni. This one is called Aadi Kachni. Straight lines are called Khadi Kachni. Now this space we can draw some design. I am drawing dashes. Actually, Madhubani is made on handmade paper. On canvas, we don't get such fine lines. The same thing will come very nice on the plain paper. Sometime on the canvas, some sort of coating is there. It is gesso coating, but it's very silky, as if wax polish is done. So paint is not sticking on it. Our fishes are ready, but I will have to give second coat because of the surface of canvas. I always keep soap water with me because the color settles into the end of bristles. With soap water, it's clear. Now, in Madhubani, we don't leave space free. So here also we have to draw something. So I'm just drawing the circles. Dots are not allowed in Madhubani, but circles are allowed. Dots normally people draw when they draw some tantric Madhubani or god or goddess sari. On those things dots are. Some people draw, but most of the people strictly say no dots. We can fill color in the dots, but each dot should have black outline. Each circle, sorry, not dot. Now, let me start the second line. This line, I am leaving it blank. Okay, next line, I am drawing this design with the black paint and brush. अभी तक मैंने जो भी करा है, this whole thing is called Kachni because I have not filled color anywhere. When we fill color, then it is called Bharni. This is another design. Mostly, earlier days, mostly Madhubani was done in black and white only. There is one more art style of Madhubani which is called Godna, Godna. There is variation in Madhubani of Madhubani village and Darbhanga, Patna. So each place has their own variations. Nowadays, everybody is making the mix lot. Now, let me show you the border. I'm going to use red color now. Black outline should be visible. It should not be covered with red paint. I'll have to give second coat everywhere. This filling of color is Bharni. one thin line in between. These white dots should not be visible, so it's better to give a second coat of paint. In Madhubani, white space should be visible. So border has Bharni and Kachni both. Actually, Madhubani is the combination of Bharni and Kachni nowadays. Olden days, some people used to make only Bharni paintings, some people used to make only Kachni paintings. But now, trend has changed. In corner, we can draw a flower. They draw very often 4-petal flower. But we have to give black outline to this flower also. If you want, you can use any other color. This whole portion, I want to paint black. I always prefer to paint the sides because then we don't have to get it framed. Also, this black border will give a look of frame. It's up to you. If you want, when red color dries, you can make, I'll try to show you, another triangle here. But it's your wish, whatever you want to do. These all are variation in border. This red and red is looking too much. So I thought that inside triangle, if we make white, will look better. I'll start with black color. My paint has become very thick, so I'm mixing some water in it. This is red color. So this side is little dry. So let's check if there is any white color mark here. We can see the marks here and there. I'll apply the paint again. As you can see here, I have to give second coat of black color because lines are not very clear. Now we'll finish this outer circle because our hand will not touch inner side. I'm using a thin layer of white paint because my gesso is giving me trouble. I bought this board thinking it is gesso coated, but I don't know what kind of gesso is there. Paint is slipping on it as if there is some wax type coating. We'll check again and again if any place has white spots, then we will apply the paint again. I hope you liked the tutorial. Kindly like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.